Ladies and gentlemen, the opposition has been moving together, campaigning together. But one thing that is key and each of them should do separately is pushing their own agendas. And Fred Okengo Matiangi is getting it right. And why am I saying so? This is because there is a time that will come that all those principals will be walking to a room just to pick one person who will be the flag bearer of the opposition. And that's probably next year, as they have said. Now, when that time comes, the consideration will be who has the ground. What will the opinion polls say from the ground? And regarding Gachagua, one point says that they will seek the assistance of experts. So, if experts go to the ground, because experts will be seeking opinions of Kenyans, they'll be looking on different dynamics. If they go to the ground and they find out that you don't have a wave as a principle, then as much as you want to be the flag bearer, they recommend against you. And that's why it's very key to keep on pushing the agenda of the individual. And I want to talk about Fred Okengo Matiangi and what he is doing as a person. We have seen Rigathi Gachagua pushing the same in Mount Kenya region before he extended to the other parts of Kenya. And he's doing it absolutely very well. But another person who is getting it right is Fred Okengo Matiangi. Actually, the Western tour, if you'd follow the Western tour very keenly, that Western tour was Matiangi and Natembeya, who had planned to go on the tour Trans Nzoia. But it happened that there was an overall plan of the opposition also to visit Western. So they decided to join the entire tour to make it a one-way tour because all of them are of the same course. But as we're speaking today, Fred Okengo Matiangi has planned a tour or has been invited to a tour by Peter Munya to the Mount Kenya region. And now this one will be Fred Okengo Matiangi alone. I don't know if I doubt whether he'll be accompanied by other principals. And the PNU party, which Peter Munya is leading, has invited Fred Okengo Matiangi to the Mount Kenya region. And if you remember very well from the interview Fred Okengo Matiangi did, he said that there are several parties that are asking or requesting him to be their flag bearer. It's now clear that PNU can be one of those parties. Remember, we have Jubilee, we have UPA of Kisii from the Kisii region. PNU now must be on that list because Peter Munya has shown interest to work closely with Fred Okengo Matiangi. And I like the fact that Fred Okengo Matiangi is picking the right people. You cannot underestimate the fact that Natembeya is politically strong in Western region. Natembeya now, Venetronga, is considered the kingpin of the Western region. You saw what happened in Bungoma. You saw what happened in Viga. You saw what happened in Kitale. Natembeya controls or is controlling those regions. Peter Munya is equally a very strong politician from the Mount Kenya region. And actually, Peter Munya, it said that he's one person who rejected the CS position in the current regime when there was reappointment of CS positions. And it's also saying that it's from Peter Munya polling station that 2022 Raila won from the Mount Kenya region. Raila did not win even in that polling station of Martha Karua, but from the polling station that Peter Munya was, he ensured that Raila Odinga got a majority, almost 80% of the votes from that polling station. So, as much as Peter Munya doesn't speak well, he's a very good strategist. And Matiangi is identifying those people and he is working with them to push his agenda. And trust me, if an opinion poll were to be ran today, if people do an opinion poll today, Matiangi, among the opposition principles of who is to be the president, Fred Okengo Matiangi will top the list. You show me an opinion poll. Go to X, go to any platform. Show me an opinion poll where Fred Okengo Matiangi is not among the best two candidates, preferred presidential candidate. And so Matiangi, now that he has folded his sleeves and he wants to campaign, he must keep the notch so high so that wakati wataingia kwa ile table of discussion, as they call it. What are the principles? Remember that Matiangi comes from Kisii region, na Kisii region haina numbers. Kisii region, and remember Kisii region is not, if they go with the numbers per region, then Fred Okengo Matiangi will become almost the last person in that room of discussion. Natembeya anakuja kutoka Western, they have numbers. Rigathi from Mulima, they have numbers. Kalonzo from Ukambani, they have numbers. If you look at the other candidates, they have numbers. So there are chances that regional numbers may not work. And if they are going to work, then Matiangi will be disadvantaged. But the argument will be, if the experts will come, they will have done an overall countrywide consultation, opinion tally, and they'll bring the findings to the table. But if an opinion poll is done countrywide, then Matiangi will be among the best 2 presidential flag bearer recommended. And you can challenge me that if you run a tally right now, or if you have seen any tally, you just go to anywhere, search and do your research very well. Matiangi ako kwa wale watu wawili wenye wako most preferred, and that one is what he is going to use on the table of discussion. Wakati experts watakuwa wanaingia huko, Matiangi will be considered. And ladies and gentlemen, in any case, you know, this is politics. You never know what people are planning or what card is being played. And I've always alluded to this, that right now, coalition are at the foundation level. Watu wako foundation level, they are just building up. Wakati ingine hata when you're building a house, there comes a time you say now, hata tutoi mlango ya metal tuweke ya mbao. Let's remove this pillar, it doesn't have a purpose. A lot of things are expected to change as we move forward. And in any case, the opposition will divide. In any case, there will be betrayal in the opposition. Then some candidates will have to remain as individuals. You have to do your own calculation. And you'll be favored if you have the people on the ground with you. If you have the people with the ground with you, it will be very easy to make the decisions. And that's why it's very important to solidify your voting block. Keep pushing, keep talking your agendas, keep sharing your ideologies. And that's why Fred Okengo Matiangi on that side is getting right. I hope he'll be making the same moves to the coastal region. He should do a rally in Nairobi region, because the Kisii rally was very successful. The Western region has been very good. The Mount Kenya region will be seeing what will happen, but he should extend these rallies, do indoor meetings, go to X spaces and address issues, conduct more interviews, go to local radio stations and talk to the people. Because in politics, it's a game of numbers. You don't have the numbers, you don't win. Numbers and strategy. You don't have those 2 things, forget about winning. Others, listen, that's all for you for today. You can tell me what you think in the comment section. I'll take my own time to read and give you a response. And in case politics what you like, this is the channel where to be. Consider subscribing and always stay tuned. Have a nice day and stay safe.